Welcome everyone. This is going to be a very short video, just to show you how fast things can change. Um, I'm just gonna show you what's going on. So this is what you're hearing in the background. Um, so yeah, I called my insurance company. Turns out I had a water leakage somewhere down there. Insurance covers all the demolition of what you saw there, um, and they're gonna cover a certain part of redoing the whole counter and the whole thing that was there before, um, which is it's kind of good that at least I'll get some financial help on it. Um, I don't even I'm talking and I don't even know if you can hear me. Yeah, I'm still gonna have to pay from my own pocket. I don't know if it's even something I'm gonna be able to do. Um, yeah, I'm gonna be a few days without a functional kitchen. At least we still have a stove, fridge, still have our freezer back there, dishwasher is still there. They left the sink for the weekend. And we're not even sure exactly what's causing the problem. There was a lot of water down there. Everything's drying up right now. We're trying to find where the water comes from, and we can't find anything. So hopefully by Monday when my plumber comes, he'll be able to tell me what's the problem. Maybe it's just old pipes. I guess we'll have to see. Another thing that changes fast is in a few minutes, well, it's 9 o'clock, so our appointment is at 11. We're going to get something new today. I'm going to show you what it is. So yeah, this is what we got. Lower payments, more space than the Dodge Journey we had. Although we liked the other vehicle we had, but this one here is, like I said, going to be cheaper. Lower payments, more space in there. With 5 kids, we need something with 7 passengers. This is going to be this is going to do the job. So after the beautiful day we had, we decided to go for a little hunt, and just got back home. And before they leave, I'm going to try to show you this. I don't know if you can see. Look at all the birds back there. You're not going to see anymore. Those were all on our lawn. They're all on the trees now. I tried to show you, it's freaky when you see like almost 1,000 birds all at once. And you probably don't, but I hear them. I'm gonna get closer and try to show you. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but they're all over the trees. It's kind of weird. You don't see them there unless you look carefully. That's awesome. Hope you can hear them now. Oh, awesome. I'm gonna try to go and see them from their side. So here I'm back, and just want to continue on things that are changing fast. It's not a new one, but the other one was broken, so we had this one. Hey, so it's dark, you can't see me, and I'm gonna use the occasion to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, see you later.